Shrestha, try to inform Harshi. Okay?
मैम
Okay,
उसका वो
Shrestha?
नेट ऑन नहीं है।
Okay. Okay, it's okay. Is Manvi here?
मैम शी इज कमिंग।
Okay, fine. So write a question. Calculate.
सायरा मैम।
Saira, Parth, question लिखो. Calculate
यस मैम।
AD, AS and determine. Calculate AD, AS and determine equilibrium level of investment. Calculate AD, AS and determine equilibrium level if investment is fixed at 100 crores. If investment is fixed at 100 crores. I repeat the question. Calculate AD, AS and determine equilibrium level if investment is fixed at 100 crores. Question is not complete now. Below that you write income. Income. Just like you used to do in statistics, write income one below the other. The first column, income. 0, write neatly so that it will be easy for you to do the calculation. Income starting with first number is 0, then 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Nandini, am I audible to you, Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those are the income. Now in the right hand side, the next column, consumption. Consumption. Write it in the proper order. उसके सीधे सीधे आना चाहिए. Okay. Consumption. Right. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. I repeat, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. This is the question. What are the things asked? You have to find out AD, AS and the equilibrium level. AD, AS and the equilibrium level if the investment is fixed at 100 CR. Investment is fixed at 100 CR means what? What is that? What do you mean by investment is fixed at 100 CR? उसका मतलब क्या है? What is it called?
I is equal to 100.
But what is this called? Investment is fixed at 100 CR. Sorry, yeah, autonomous investment. ये क्या चीज है? Autonomous investment. अभी आप लोग क्या करोगे? You already have created two columns. Income column है question में, consumption column है. You have to find out AD, AS and equilibrium. Okay. What is AD? What is AD? What is the equation
C
of
plus
AD?
I.
C plus I. यहाँ पर income भी दिया है, consumption भी दिया है. So for every amount you can find out AD. So AD column you can find out. What is investment? सबसे पहले एक investment column बनाना, उसके बाद पूरे में 100 लिख देना. Why? Why you are writing in every item? Because every item 100, because you know we take into consideration this is the autonomous investment which remains the same 100. It is fixed at 100. So you are given the income and consumption and the autonomous investment. So in the third column you can write, yeah, investment पूरे में 100 100 100 लिख दो. So the third column you make investment. Then write 100. 100. Okay, so that's the third column. What is AD? Just like now Shrestha said, AD is equal to C plus I. So you can find out AD in each case because you are given consumption and investment. You have the consumption and you have investment. So you can find out AD. Now, what is AS? Anurag, what is AS? What is aggregate supply?
C plus S.
Very good. Aggregate supply is equal to C plus S. C is given. C is given with you. What is not there? S is not there. Can you find out S from the given information? हम लोग के पास क्या क्या है? इनकम है, कंजम्पशन है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है. And you know AS is equal to, what is AS, Naman? AS is equal to? Naman, AS is equal to? Naman is not responding. Siddharth, AS is equal to? Aggregate supply is equal to? Okay, Karthik, you are right. But I want to hear, Siddharth, why you are not responding? What is C plus, what is aggregate supply? Aggregate supply is equal to C plus S. वो C में consumption दिया हुआ है. What is missing? Saving. Just tell me, from the given information, can you find out saving?
Ma'am, aggregate supply.
Aggregate supply. From the given information, can you find out saving?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे?
Y minus C.
minus C.
Yes. Y minus C. That means जो income है, Y is given, income given, उसमें से जितना कंज्यूम कर रहा है, बाकी क्या है? बाकी सेविंग्स है. So here you can very easily, you have the two columns, income and consumption in the question, and you are given the investment also. Third column you will make the investment 100 everywhere, and the next column you make the column, next column you make it as saving. What is saving? Y minus C, income minus consumption. Then you will get S also. Then what you will
Ma'am?
get? Yes, yes.
मैम मतलब टोटल 3 कॉलम बनाने पड़ेंगे फिर?
नहीं, और भी कॉलम बनाना है.
अच्छा.
अभी कितना कॉलम हो गया? एक हो गया इनकम, फिर हो गया कंजम्पशन, फिर एक कॉलम में पूरा 100 लिख दिया, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऊपर लिख दिया, फिर एक सेविंग कॉलम बनाया. सेविंग कैसे बनाओगे? कंजम्पशन, सॉरी, इनकम माइनस कंजम्पशन, दैट इज सेविंग. अभी क्वेश्चन इट्स नॉट कंप्लीट. हमको क्या क्या ढूंढना है? एडी एंड एएस. लास्ट कॉलम एडी एंड एएस. व्हाट इज एडी? सी प्लस आई. What is AS? C plus S. AD क्या है? C plus I. So उसमें से add करते जाओ. C plus I is equal to AD. And what is AS? AS is equal to C plus S. That is consumption plus saving. So likewise, you make the table. After making the table, you can understand that at a particular level, AD is equal to AS. AD is equal to AS at a particular level. That level is known as the equilibrium level. When AD is equal to AS, that particular level is the equilibrium level. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Do it, all of you do it, and tell me the AS and AD at each level. Savings, AD and AS at each level, you will tell me.
I'm done.
Okay, very good. What is the equilibrium level? 1 minute, beta. Let me take out my board. What is the equilibrium level? What is the special? What is the particularity of the equilibrium level? Speak. What will happen in the equilibrium levels? Siddharth, I think you got the answer.
AD is equal to AS.
AD is equal to AS. At which level in this particular case you have AD is equal to AS? कौन सा income level में हुआ है? AD is equal to 300 level में हुआ है. इसका मतलब your answer is equilibrium level of income is rupees 300. So what were in the question you were asked to find out AD, yes, and determine the equilibrium level. So there you have to write the equilibrium level of income is rupees 300. Okay, this is a 6-mark question. Parth, could you do it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो सबसे पहले कॉलम में क्या लिखा? जो इनकम दिया है वो लिखना है. सबसे पहले कॉलम में जो y दिया है वो लिखना है. The
Yes,
y
ma'am.
in the first column, and the second column you will write consumption, that is also given, and the third column you will write the investment. Remember, this investment is given, that will be same throughout because it is autonomous or fixed investment. 100 it is given, so everywhere you will write 100. And then you can write the next column, savings. What is savings? Savings is equal to income minus consumption, y minus c. Each income, and in that how much is consumed, and the balance is known as savings. Y minus C. Y minus C is equal to saving. So you got the saving. Now you can very easily find out AD. AD is equal to C plus I. What is AD? AD within bracket you will write C plus I. So each C should be added to I, then you will get the AD. And this column is AS. What is AS? C plus S. That is consumption plus saving. Consumption plus saving. Consumption you have, and now the saving also you have. You add those two columns, then you will get what? AS. So your answer is over. So what are the ADs you got? Can you please read? Siddharth, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 150,
Hmm.
200,
Hmm.
250,
Hmm.
300, 350, and 400.
These are the AD. 350 and 400. AS क्या क्या है ना?
Ma'am, 0,
Hmm.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500.
400 and 500. So here you can see AD is equal to AS at a particular level, 300, 300. And that at that particular level, what was the income? The income was 300. So the income was given like this. It has started from 0, 100, 200, 300 like that. Okay. So at the 0, 100, 200, 300 like that. So at the level of 300, the level of income, the AD is equal to AS, that is aggregate demand, is equal to aggregate supply. So this level is the equilibrium level. And every AD, you have the mark for every AD and AS. And what is saving? Saving is equal to Y minus C, income minus consumption. That is here 50, 100. It was given 50, 100, 150. So here Y minus C, 100 minus 100, 200 minus 2. So that you will get the same. And investment is same, 100, 100. Here it will go. So thus you will do this question. I hope you could do it. Write the next question. Investment in the economy is fixed at 40 CR. Investment in the economy is fixed at 40 CR. Consumption, expenditure, and level of income are लिखो, इनकम लिखो, नीचे लाइन में लिखो 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Consumption लिखो 220, 300, 380, 460, 540, 620. I repeat, 220, 300, 380, 460, 540, 620. Now, I will just read what are you asked to do. Calculate AD and AS at all level of income. That you know, just like now you did, you have to find out AD and AS. For AD, you will write C plus I, consumption plus investment, that's already given. And for aggregate supply, you will write, what you will write? C plus, what you will write?
I.
C
Yes.
But aggregate supply is equal to C plus? Yes. C plus? Yes. Consumption plus saving. What is aggregate supply? The income is either consumed or saved. AS is equal to Y, income. AS is equal to income, and the income is either consumed or saved. That is C plus S. Always AS is equal to C plus S. And aggregate demand. Demand means only two sectors. So private household consumption expenditure and the business firms investment expenditure. So C plus I. So always remember AD is equal to C plus I and A is equal to C plus S. So यहाँ पर AD AS तो हर level में without any difficulty you will get. So that is the first question. And in this 6 sub questions are there. This you can do. Then at what level of income will be economy will be at equilibrium? That now also you did. You just have to find out the point where AD is equal to AS. You keep on doing it and listen to me also. Then state the level of income where the total saving is negative. So that you can find out from the table itself. You have to find out that level of income when the saving is negative. Tell me when the saving will be negative. When the saving will be negative, Anurag?
Ma'am, when C is more than Y.
When C is more than Y, exactly. So वहां पर एक level मिलेगा, उधर लिख देना. At this level of income, saving is negative. Okay, so that question is also over. Then, are saving and investment equal at the equilibrium level of income? Saving और investment equal रहेगा क्या equilibrium level में? At equilibrium, if is S is equal to I, saving or investment same रहेगा? Yes, it is. Saving is equal to investment at the equilibrium level. You have studied two approaches. AD is equal to AS approach and saving is equal to investment approach. So there you have studied that at the equilibrium level, saving is equal to investment. जितना saving हो रहा है उतना investment हो रहा है. Saving is equal to investment. You have seen the derivation also. Saving is equal to investment. You have seen the derivation also. Okay. So at that level, then another question. Calculate MPC and MPS. So that question I will give you. So I hope now you have done it. कर लिया? किस किसका हो चुका? अंजलि, you have completed it? Anjali? Why not responding?
Yes,
कर लिया? कर लिया बेटा?
ma'am, doing.
Okay. The question is 100, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before I dismiss the class, please remind me to take the attendance. This is the question. You are given the income and the consumption, and the autonomous investment is given I, that is 40 fixed amount. Karthik, answer हो गया तो read the answer. Then saving, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer हो गया.
मैम कर रहा हूँ.
Savings 200 income है, 220 consumption है, so there it is minus. This was one of the
20.
question. minus 20 हो गया. ये क्वेश्चन ये था कि कौन सा लेवल ऑफ इनकम, एट व्हाट लेवल ऑफ इनकम यू हैव द नेगेटिव सेविंग. सो क्या उसका आंसर क्या लिखोगे? एट लेवल ऑफ इनकम ऑफ 200 CR वी हैव अ नेगेटिव सेविंग इन द इकोनॉमी. ऐसे आंसर लिखना है.
Yes, ma'am.
200 level of income, you have a negative saving. Now it is 0, then 20, saving is 20 and saving is 40. And this is 600, no? 6 and 540. This is 60 and this is 80. So you got your saving. So now you can do AD. AD, what is AD? C plus I. C plus I. That means 260, 340. It's a round figure, so it is very easy. So don't take much time. 340, 380 plus 40, 420.
420.
500, 580.
580. 660.
Aggregate supply. Then aggregate demand, aggregate supply. Aggregate demand था अपना C plus I and aggregate supply is equal to C plus S. C plus S, because the total income is either consumed or saved. C or S, 220 minus 220, 200. 300 minus 0, 300. 380 minus 20, 360. I don't think you people are seriously, I don't know why this much time is being taken. It is C plus S, na? So what I am doing is not correct. The C plus S is 300. Here it is 400. Here it is 400. 200, 300. Here it is 400. Correct. Here it is 500. 600 and 700. This is the table you have. This is the table you have. Now you have to answer to the question which is given. The first question is calculate AD and AS for all level of income. वो तो हमने कर लिया है. AD or AS at all level of income हमने कर लिया है. Next question is at what level of income will the economy at equilibrium? Yeah. At what level of income the economy is at equilibrium?
Ma'am, 500 CR.
At this level. At this level, it is at equilibrium. AD is equal to AS. And C, your saving is equal to investment. Saving is equal to investment and AD is equal to AS. At this 500 level, our economy is at equilibrium. If a question is asked, at what level you have to write? At 500 CR level of income, it is at equilibrium. That's the second question. And the third question is, state the level of income where the total saving is negative. Level of income when the saving is negative. Saving negative, where is saving negative here? Saving is negative at this case. At that case, what is your level of income, Siddharth? What is the level of income at saving negative? What is the level?
200 crore.
100. So your answer is right 3. The third answer. What if the level of income is 200 when the saving is negative? So third answer. That's also over. Now, are the saving and investment equal at the equilibrium level of income? This is the equilibrium level of income. Are the investment and saving equal at this level? Saving and investment, are they equal at the equilibrium level? Is saving and is investment are same at the equilibrium level? Can't you see?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishwas, you cannot
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the code. See, ये है investment, ये है saving, दोनों 40 CR है ना? तो इसका मतलब equilibrium में AD is equal to AS and I is also is equal to AS. That means saving is equal to investment.
यस मैम, मैंने नीचे वाला देख लिया था.
हाँ, इक्विलिब्रियम नीचे नहीं देखना, ये जो बना है ना 500 500 AD और इज
ओके
इक्वल
मैम.
टू AS है ना. इक्विलिब्रियम का कब है? AD इज इक्वल टू AS जब होता है वही है इक्विलिब्रियम. और
ओके
इक्विलिब्रियम
मैम.
लाइन में सेविंग और इन्वेस्टमेंट इज सेम.
ओके मैम.
Next question, calculate MPC and MPS that you have to write. Calculate MPC and MPS. लिखो. When the income increases from 400 to 500 CR. When the income increases from 400 to 500 CR. For MPC, MPS, you have to find out when it increases from 400 to 500 CR. What you will do? What is MPC? MPC is equal to, yeah, Shrestha. MPC is equal to change in consumption upon
change in income.
change in income. कौन सा लेवल पे पूछा है? 400 to 500. देखो 400 to 500. When it changed from 400 to 500, what is the change in income? 100. What is the change in consumption? 380 to 460, Naman? What is the change in consumption, Naman? Okay, Shrestha, he's not responding. You just give the answer.
मैम 460.
460. It is the question is when the income changes from 400 to 500, what is the change in consumption? 460 minus 380. Isn't it? So 80 upon 100. So what is the MPC over here? 0.80. 0.80 is the MPC. So once you got the MPC, what is MPS? MPS or MPC दोनों पूछा है ना? What is the MPS? MPS is equal to 0.20. This is also a 6-mark question. Even though it is a little long, it's very simple. MPC and MPS. That is the question. दोनों मिल गया. And the last question, the 6th question is each step has 1 mark. Okay. And the last question is what will be the AD at the income level of 300 crores? At the income level of 300 crores, AD कितना है? यहाँ से देखे लिखना ही तो है और कुछ नहीं. At the 300 level of income, what is the AD?
340.
340. This is the AD. देखो 300 level of income में AD कितना है? 340. So you have to put the number and write. 6 question अगर सब question पूछा है 6. What you will write? At 340. At 300 level of income, the AD is rupees 340 crore. So likewise, this question is of 6 marks. Okay, this kind of question The previous question was also of 6 mark. This is also of 6 mark. So where you have to find out ADAS. You will be asked to find out the equilibrium level. So you have to find where AD is equal to AS. Just remember that when AD is equal to AS, what is equal to what? S is equal to investment also. Because I don't know whether you remember or not, when we have started, you have to. It's a very important point. When we started the lesson, we started with the equation saying like the equation was like this. AD is equal to AS. Next step batao. AD is equal to AS. What you can write instead of AD? जिसको आता है जल्दी बोलो. Instead of AD, what can you write?
C plus I.
C plus
C
I
plus
is equal to. Instead of AS, what you will write?
C plus S.
C plus S. And both this C and C get cancelled. I is equal to S. That is, in an equilibrium economy, investment is equal to saving. Whatever saving you have, all the savings are converted into investment. So when AD is AS, that is at the level of equilibrium, AD is equal to AS, at that point, our saving will be equal to investment. That you have already seen. So all these questions, that can also be asked at the point where S is equal to I. At that point, AD will also be equal to AS. Okay. Then, so that's all. There are a few more problems we have to do. Afterwards, we will move to the next lesson, that is aggregate supply. Okay, beta Anurag. Aggregate supply and aggregate demand. Excess demand and excess supply. So that excess demand and deficient demand. That particular lesson we will go through after this.